Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about DAZN Error Code 97001. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into DAZN, especially on their laptop. According to our research, the error might happen due to VPN use, issues with the network, or restrictions caused by third-party apps running in the background. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet. Once both are restarted, try logging in again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes and you are using a VPN, then try disabling it, and check if this helps with the error. If the error persists and you are not using a VPN, then check if you are on a work laptop or using a company or college network. In that case, background tray apps or security software could be causing the issue. So try switching to a different network or device and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try resetting your account password. Simply go to the DAZN login page and select Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Then try logging in again and check for the error. If you still get the error, try using DAZN on any other device such as a phone or tablet, and see if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then you should contact DAZN support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.